Now doctor, pervasive developmental disorders. Very common question to ask about autism, etc., etc. Asperger, Rett occur in boys or girls? So you should remember, autism, depression is not included in that. Then 65-year-old female, which test will confirm the pulmonary embolism? CT pulmonary angiogram is a gold standard to what you call confirm pulmonary embolism. Erlen-Meyer flask deformity. Basically what you have in this, there is a constriction of the diaphysis, means shaft, with the flaring up of the metaphysis. I didn't get time to put the radiograph. Okay, so there are many causes for that. Gaucher, Bleacher, sickle cell, fibrous dysplasia. ऐसे बहुत लंबे लंबे लिस्ट होते हैं. टाइम मिले तो एक बार एक नजर डाल के जाना. That's the only thing you can do. Then, what is the cornerstone of assessment in a case of acute abdomen? आप एक गांव में हैं डॉक्टर, सिंपल फर्स्ट थिंग इन एक्यूट एब्डोमेन परफोरेशन है क्या? परफोरेशन है तो गैस अंडर डायफ्राम. डोंट से सीटी स्कैन वाज नॉट देयर माय लॉर्ड, हेंस आई फेल्ड टू डायग्नोज appendicitis or intestinal perforation. Examiner, my lord, will never be happy. So you need to do plain X-ray, which will help you. Lumbar spine instability hai. This is uncommon question. Uncommon, unexpected question. So doctor, you have all the other as the important criteria, but not option C. But don't worry about this. They will never ask this question. When can a medico-legal action can be taken on a sonologist? Filing of records is not, patient cannot tell I have a copyright on my liver, so why did you keep my records in your machine without deleting, bol ke nahi bol sakte. But misinterpretation of sonological findings is bad. There is a big ovarian tumor and you misinterpret it as a fetus in a left occipito-posterior position. That is unacceptable. Loss of films any day. You can lose your marital ring but not patient films. Or not comparing findings with prior findings. Why the fourth one is important? Already patient had grade 3 cirrhosis of liver and now you are giving mild fatty liver as the report. Very bad, no? We already told you to check the earlier films, if required give grade 4 cirrhosis now. Without looking old reports, now you use your personal knowledge and said hepatitis, fatty liver, not good. So don't forget old reports you have to check. Regarding colonic diverticulosis, colonic diverticulosis are not true diverticulae, they are false or pulsion diverticulae is what you need to remember. Critically ill patient may above 65 millimeters of mercury is the mean arterial pressure for a good perfusion to the kidney you need to maintain. Typically it is a post-auricular skin to repair the eyelid. Voice of America, T8 is vein, IVC, 10 is esophageal and aorta is 12. Adults may adhesions is the most common cause of the intestinal obstruction. So what is a ranula? I know what you have written in your final year MBBS short answer. Write a short answer on ranula. Ranula is a special cannula. Since it is not used in India, this is out of syllabus. So mucus extravasation cyst of the sublingual gland is what you need to remember. Branchial pouch, from where superior thyroid comes from, is fourth and inferior thyroid, parathyroid is from third. I think that you know already that upside down thing. Now calcium oxalate, Classical is a radio opaque one. Acute small intestinal obstruction, I think second time repeated, adhesions. Fructose in seminal fluid is contributed by seminal vesicles make the semen become sweeter. Then CA19-9 basically is carcinoma pancreas, most important tumor marker. What is gastrinoma triangle? Very standard biscuit question. If we don't answer this, what per are we going for exam? Confluence of cystic and CBD, inferiorly second and third portion of duodenum, and medially neck and body of the pancreas. Colorectal cancer is most common in rectus sigmoid. Then early gastric carcinoma, Japanese have a different definition, Chinese have a different definition, American society has a different definition. The depth of tumor invasion is most important definition currently in order to classify the gastric carcinoma is what need to be remembered. 24-year-old, yeah, I think our online students, the voice is clear, yeah. So day after tomorrow, Friday evening 5 to 8 p.m. we will have AIMS May 2014 paper, we will have a discussion, okay. So that our plan is 10 papers of AIMS last 5 years and 10 papers of PGI. We will run through quickly before the exam every Friday. Complimentary session, all of you can come and we will be happy to see all of you. For you only we are preparing. So solving those 5,000 questions at least once without any postponement contributes at least 10 to 20% of the general nutritional status when you go for exam, so that you are well built and well nourished when you go for exam hall. So that's the point. So abdominal examination shows distension, tenderness, all suggestive of perforation caused by typhoid. A woman is involved in road traffic accident, tachypneic, sucking of chest wall is flail chest. Classical question. When will flail chest occur? If on a rib 2 places are being fractured hard. Then inspiration may intercostal space becomes sucked inside. Then doctor, commonest cancer in the males globally, lung cancer. In India, oral cancer. Prostate कहाँ चले गए? Second हो गया. Oh, acute ischemic ulcer is thromboangiitis obliterans, which is called Buerger's disease. After eating very large Sunday lunch along with alcohol, 42-year-old associate professor, students are seriously working in hospital. What happened to him? Typically there is a shadowing in the left lower zone, and what is the most likely possibility? Esophageal rupture should be contemplated. Actually इस question में all 4 options are correct. There is no except in this because most esophageal diverticulae are pulsion. Pulsion are false diverticulae. Junker is also a pulsion diverticulum, and esophageal motility is the underlying cause. I think all 4 are true. Maybe examiner somewhere missed one word. Now doctor, typically actually key may wrong diya. Correct answer is gastroduodenal. Please don't believe in our key, believe in your key. Then what is characteristic of gastroesophageal reflux? Nocturnal cough, don't forget. Lot of patients will come to you, पूरा रात खांसी है डॉक्टर, इसको कुछ करो. बलगम निकलता क्या? नहीं निकलता डॉक्टर, खाली खांसी खांसी खांसी, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही. Wife will tell you what is the underlying cause. हस्बैंड जी को इतना बड़ा बेली है और मेम साहब ने रात को चिकन बिरयानी खिलाते, then all that reflux will lead to nocturnal cough. So you ask Naim साहब को थोड़ा थोड़ा खिलाओ, ज्यादा बार खिलाओ, कुछ नहीं होगा. और जब भी वो लेटेगा कुछ ask him to put something below his head. That will resolve lot of problem, right? So nocturnal cough. Similarly, something, any patient comes to you and tell, diffuse pain doctor, pain here, pain there, pain in the legs, pain in the back. So many pains. What is the most common cause? Other than PG preparation, boredom syndrome is one syndrome existent. But ideally, if your preparation is good, you should not be bored. Every hour you must become stronger. Right? Common underlying cause, don't forget, is vitamin D deficiency, which is not uncommon. Immediately ask them to get their serum calcium and vitamin D levels. Very, very important thing whenever somebody has diffuse pains. 56-year-old chronic alcohol consumer, do you want to answer sclerotherapy or ligation? Sclerotherapy is more outdated now. Ligation, endoscopic ligation, is a modern treatment of esophageal variceal bleeding. Ischemic colitis में splenic flexure is most commonly involved. Watershed zone. This is a beautiful question. Hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis, where do you get it? Normal anion gap metabolic acidosis में होता है hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis. Just give me the so normally what is meant by anion gap, doctor? Sodium plus potassium minus chloride plus bicarbonate will give you anion gap. Any acidosis generally will lead to what? Only bicarbonate to become low. So ये कम हो गया. इसके वजह से the difference become, if this is less, the difference become more. 5 minus 2 is only 3, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is more than 3. ठीक है ना? हाँ. Suppose along with a low bicarbonate, same time if you have a high chloride, what will happen? They both balance. So that anion gap doesn't change. So any acidosis associated with hyperchloremia will lead to normal anion gap metabolic acidosis. When will this happen? When will this happen? This happens whenever there is a renal tubular acidosis. Renal tubular acidosis is of two types. एक glomerulus है, आपको proximal tubule है, और यहाँ आगे तो distal tubule है. What is proximal tubular acidosis में problem क्या होता? Bicarbonate in urea. It is unable to reabsorb the bicarbonate. Normally bicarbonate का competition किसके साथ होता है reabsorption के लिए? If the elder sister is in love with somebody and went away, doctor, but the boy came to see, the girl's father, what will he tell? Don't worry sir, my younger daughter, chloride available है, वो MBBS second year में है, ये तो already housemanship खत्म हो गया. Reading room गए और she decided, I am going to marry this guy only because he is anyway going to get seat not in this decade. So he will be in good control, and she went and married him. So second year पढ़ रहे chloride, इसको शादी हो जाएगा, and hyperchloremia will be there. Okay. So that is the cause of the hyperchloremia, because of the lack of the bicarbonate competition के वजह से, right? So hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis is always normal anion gap. Of course, I leave the literature for you. There are some important ingestions, poisonings, where there is a development of hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis, where zonisamide is one drug. Acetazolamide also, what will it do? It will lead to bicarbonate in urea. No competition for chloride. Chloride become more reabsorbed. Acetazolamide, zonisamide, alcohol, hyperalimentation and ammonium chloride. In all these scenarios also, other than renal tubular acidosis, where there is a hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis. Double bubble sign will be there in duodenal atresia. Murphy's sign will be there in cholecystitis. And what is the significance of dentate line? Lot of times this question is asked, doctor. Above dentate, below dentate. Above dentate, what is the lymphatic drainage? Inguinal lymph nodes. Any tumor hai to. Below dentate, superficial inguinal lymph nodes. Embryologically, above dentate, endodermal origin. Below dentate, ectodermal. Blood supply. Superior rectal artery above dentate and middle and inferior rectal artery are below dentate. Superior rectal artery is a continuation of which artery? Inferior mesenteric artery. Right? So that's the point you need to remember. I leave the literature for you. Now, normal lower esophageal pressure is 25 centimeter water. You don't know, nobody knows. But don't try it if it is a negative mark exam. Right? So, temporomandibular dislocation. What do you see? You see all this but not mandibular protrusion nahi hota. Lateral recess stenosis. Discoprolapse, spondylolisthesis. That the very high yield topics in the 62 topic list given to you in the orthopedics, doctor. If you have not downloaded, please download and call helpline for the password to open the PDF. So most common cause of the lateral recess stenosis is degeneration of the superior articular process. It's a close differential to the disc prolapse. Disc prolapse may be compression of the radical होता जो बाहर निकल रहा है और स्पॉन्डाइलोलिसिस हो गया और लैटरल रिसेस स्टेनोस हो गया तब भी जो रैडिकल बाहर निकलेगा उसका कंप्रेशन हो जाएगा. इट्स अ क्लोज डिफरेंशियल. इफ यू डू द एमआरआई अगर लैटरल रिसेस स्टेनोसिस की वजह से है तो प्रोलैप्स ऑफ द डिस्क वोंट बी देयर. दैट्स द पॉइंट. ओके नाउ डॉक्टर, spinal accessory nerve will lead to drooped shoulder. Easy question. I think about 120 to 140 out of 200 you will crack biscuit questions. 50-60 में competition है, देखेंगे कितने टॉप मार्क आएगा इस बार. Lateral epicondylitis, tennis elbow, soft tissue calcification along the lateral aspect of the elbow. Then anterior shoulder का dislocation का recurrence में what is the main factor that decides? Age is the only factor. If the age is between 21 to 30, if your hand is dislocated because you are shouldering responsibilities, then recurrent dislocation हो जाएगा. Be very sure. Then Codman's paradox का मतलब क्या होता है? Basically the various rotations of the shoulder joint. Shoulder joint is what? Multi-axial joint. That's called Codman's paradox. Prisor's disease is what? Kinbach is what? Schrumann is what? Paget is what? Like that. Presor is what? Presor is scaphoid. Scaphoid. Typically it is avascular necrosis of the scaphoid is called Presor's avascular necrosis or scaphoid. एक ग्लूट रिसेप्टर, एक टाइप ऑफ कोलेजन. अगर ये दोनों में एक ना एक जरूर आएगा एग्जाम में. थर्ड वेरी स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या होता है? वन फोरामेन. फोर्थ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या होता है? वन कलर ऑफ द सिलेंडर. राइट. वन मेपलसन्स सर्क्यूट. डर लगता है ये सबको याद रखे तो, मगर याद रखना. सो डॉक्टर, टाइप 1 इज द मेन. बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन इज 4. I think we'll come back on this. One or two will confirm that. Yeah. Maybe our online students can punch one or two in their opinion. Yeah. Which structure acts like a glenohumeral joint stabilizer, doctor? Inferior. Collagen is predominantly type 1, doctor, for the earlier question. No doubt. No second. No type 2. Type 1. Smaller quantities of 2, 3, 4 will be there. But predominantly it is type 1. Okay. So no second thought. Most common site of typical os acromial. Basically if you look at the acromion process, there are a lot of epiphyses from which it will grow. Right. So you have A non-union between meso and metaacromia, which is the most common or typical osacromial, it is called. Non-union between pre and mesoacromia, then non-union between pre and mesoacromia, between pre and mesoacromia, and meta and basiacromia. What is Jefferson's fracture? So answer is the first one, meso and metaacromia. What is the Jefferson's fracture, doctor? Anterior and posterior arches of the C1 vertebra. Commonly it is because of what? Axial load. The nuclear cataract क्यों होता है? When you become old, refractive index of the lens will typically increase. उसके वजह से. Retinitis pigmentosa, actually option B is pale disc, optic disc. So you find pale optic disc. Because of all that hyperpigmentation into retina, the vessels look narrow. Because वो vessel के ऊपर से pigmentation हो जाता. And bony spicule appearance. They are all the classical features. Width is what? Against is what? Width is hyper. Against is myopia. That's the point. Then preferred initial treatment क्या होता? Laser. Laser photocoagulation is the best way to treat all that neovascularization. Rhabdomyosarcoma mein you will do radiation followed by chemotherapy is the gold standard of the treatment. Herring or Sherrington? Equal innervation होता है Herring. Reciprocal innervation होता है Sherrington. Reciprocal means जब agonist का when antagonist is contracting, agonist will relax. That is called as Sherrington. Equal innervation is called Herring. So that's important. One type of pupil, doctor. Addis pupil, Holmes, Marcus gun, etc. Marcus gun क्यों होता है? Marcus gun. Can you? It is also called lazy pupillary reaction. So you have the retina, doctor. Once the light falls on retina, what will happen? It is transmitted by optic nerve. It typically reaches the pretectal nucleus in the midbrain. From there it will go to both sides Edinger-Westphal, which is the nucleus of oculomotor. From both sides Edinger-Westphal it will go. From the pretectal nucleus in the midbrain. From Edinger-Westphal it will come to ciliary ganglion. From ciliary ganglion it will go and supply sphincter pupillae. So when you throw the light, what will happen? Pretectal, Edinger-Westphal, ciliary, and through oculomotor, sphincter pupillae, and even contralateral side it is going. That is the reason opposite side pupil also will constrict. What is this called as? The same eye is called direct light reaction, other is called consensual light reaction. अगर इस आंख में optic retinitis, optic neuritis हो गया, then what will happen when you throw the light? This eye is not constricting, even opposite eye also is not constricting because there is no transmission. Then when you move the torchlight to the other eye, what will happen? The same eye will constrict because the consensual reaction, even this eye also will constrict. But for the examiner, how will it look like? जब मैं टॉर्च लगाया ये नहीं कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट हो रहे, जब मैं उसको छोड़ के दूसरी तरफ गया तब कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट हो रहे, ये तो लेजी है. सो इट्स कॉल्ड लेजी लाइट रिएक्शन. बट एक्चुअली वो लेजी है क्या? नहीं है. क्या हो गया? लाइट, डायरेक्ट लाइट रिएक्शन नहीं हुआ. जब वो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम डीएनबी को गया तब कंस्ट्रिक्शन हो गया, तब लाइट रिएक्शन काम कर रहे इसके वजह से है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड afferent pupillary defect of Marcus gun pupil of optic neuritis is what you need to basically remember. Padma is asking, sir, you are not asking any flashcards for us to keep engaged. Wednesday, no? Sunday we will have a lot of quiz questions in the middle, another 10-20 questions we will burn confidence. Which type of pauci-articular juvenile inflammatory arthritis में uveitis is most commonly seen. So system polyarticular, pauci-articular, that's how we basically divide it. What are the types of fusion of the retinal images? One is called sensory fusion, other is called motor fusion. थोड़ा लंबा स्टोरी है एम्ब्लायोपिया के ऊपर. I leave the literature for you. Stem cells in the cornea कहाँ रहते? Limbus, corneal limbus is the border between your white cornea and the sclera. I mean the sclera, which is the white of the eye and the cornea. Then the limbus contain fibrovascular ridges. They are called palisades of Vogt, and they harbor the stem cell population. Is what you need to basically remember. Then what increases your nasal resistance and make your nose engorged when you get common cold? अगर AC में आप if you have taken rest in spite of common cold, why will nose block come? Because that will increase airway resistance. When you sleep and wake up, your nose will be tighter because that will increase. Alcohol will increase. Infective rhinitis will increase the airway resistance. But if you exercise, it is good for health and good for nose. That's the point you need to know. Then, Tolosa-Hunt syndrome. What is the meaning of it? Severe unilateral headache, extraocular palsy involving 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, and pain around the sides of the back of the eye, all because of some amount of inflammation nearer to cavernous sinus, is called as Tolosa-Hunt syndrome. Superior semicircular Dehiscence syndrome, unexpected topic. We prepare for otosclerosis, Meniere's, mastoidectomies. Examiner will give unknown Ajnabi term. Tullius phenomena, you must know what it is. Tullius means normal sounds also look like earthquake sound. Earthquake is, I think, silent, no? I mean, thunderbolt sound. Why will it occur? Because of a dehiscence which is there. For that, how will you treat? You will repair it or put a tympanostomy tube or avoid a stimuli that evoke those symptoms and signs. That is what you need to do. Then hyperacusis, brain fog, fatigue, tinnitus, Tullio phenomena, etc., etc. Actually, this Tullio phenomena was asked as an isolated MCQ in our state entrance. So, you must be quite sure. Now, fluctuating hearing loss in adults can occur with Meniere's commonly. Peri-lymphatic fistulas also is what you need to remember. These are all ototoxic but not penicillin. Coming to the vestibular schwannoma, very difficult question to answer. Based on the size, there is a severity, doctor. Small means less than 2, medium 2 to 4, large 4 to 6, and giant means more than 6 centimeters. Acoustic neuroma. Cruel question. Then otosclerosis. Typically, whenever fluoride levels are low, it is more common. 33-year-old lady, fluctuating hearing loss. It can be Meniere, Lutic or perilymphatic fistula, but not acoustic neuroma. Then RH isoimmunization, if you want to know fetal anemia, what is the best index? Peak systolic velocity of the middle cerebral artery is what need to be remembered. What percentage of stillbirths? Don't try this in negative exam. Negative marks exam mein try mat karo, chances of being correct is 10 in 100. Right? Then accurate predictor क्या होता है first trimester में? Crown rump length. In the remaining semesters में BPD, head circumference, abdominal circumference, femur length, etc. will help you. Then Peugeot's maneuver. What is that basically? Basically, you will do the traction along the axis of the superior pelvic aperture in order to bring out the baby. That is called Peugeot. Craig's maneuver क्या होता है? extraction of the after coming head of a breech is called as Sprague's maneuver. Now ejaculation fluid में seminal vesicles are mainly contributory for both fructose and also fluid volume. Then cerebral malaria, artesunate is the best drug that you can be able to administer. You like to say? Most appropriate treatment. Huh. I mean, you can give other drugs. But the point is, cerebral malaria is due to falciparum. Artesunate is most effective, no? No, it's unproven. Teratogenic effects are not proven. Due to third trimester, we get some support from our medical officer chief. So, it is third trimester. डरने का क्या बात है आर्टिसनेट देने में? हाँ. With every hour of rupture of membrane, will you attempt it if you are asked this in APPG? No. Pray, Lord Tirumalesha. One question is given to you. Govinda, Govinda. So, you need not worry. If you attempt, you get a ticket to Tirupati. Free SpiceJet ticket. Unless you know. There can be. But I don't think this is a known factor. What is the known factor known to everybody? If you don't give zidovudine and pregnancy happens, 33% transmission. वो फिगर तो तिरुवलेशा के लिए नहीं है, आपके लिए है, तो be very sure. Then dinoproxton vaginal tablet, if you use, what is the advantage? If there is a hyperstimulation, you can remove the tablet from vagina, which is a great advantage. Then biophysical profile में contraction stress test is not there. You have fetal movement, fetal tone, fetal breathing, amniotic fluid and fetal heart rate. What is bit? Actually this is a wrong frame of question. In fact, all of them, beta HCG is useful. So one more small wrong question. Then most accurate sonographic feature any given day is crown rump length. This is a beautiful question, doctor. Dead baby hai, hand prolapse hai. So what are the contraindications for doing a destructive procedure? First of all, what are the indications? Dekho, he must be dead, baby. You can't kill and take him out. Confirm that he is dead. Second, his head must be impacted. Then only it is an indication for doing a destruction. And his mother's cervix must be at least 7 centimeter dilated and preferably full dilated. Then only destruct and then you can extract. Then her uterus must be unruptured or there should not be signs of an impending rupture. Agar Bandel's ring hai to, the sign of an impending rupture. So that is the reason we don't do. Because with Bandel's ring there is a huge thinning. By mistake your needle touched here or there means uterus perforates. So you don't do the thing. So I leave the literature for you to review on that. 35-year-old, moderate dysplasia. Favorite question. पैप स्मीयर को कंफर्म करने के लिए कॉल्पोस्कोपी. कॉल्पोस्कोपी में कंफर्म हो गए तो कोनाइजेशन. स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन. देन डॉक्टर, कॉमनेस्ट नॉन ऑब्स्टेट्रिकल सर्जिकल प्रॉब्लम होता है एपेंडिसाइटिस. एंडोमेट्रियल कार्सिनोमा एक स्टेजिंग नहीं है तो क्या मजा है एंट्रेंस लिखने में. सर्वाइकल कैंसर, एंडोमेट्रियल कैंसर, यू मस्ट नो. So, when do you call stage 2, doctor? Whenever it is involving the uterus and stroma. 1B means it is confined to uterus but more than half myometrial invasion. As in this case. Then how do you grade 1, 2, 3? Grade 1 means well differentiated, grade 3 means very poorly differentiated is what you have to basically remember. So, what is the sweetest HPV? Sweet 16 is the one which lead to cancer. Cul-de-sac mein you don't see lymph node but you can see the all ovary, bowel, blood, etc. Invasive mole mein folinic acid, methotrexate ko rescue. फोलिनिक एसिड क्या होता है डॉक्टर? टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलेट होता है. Why will you give it in methotrexate rescue? Methotrexate is an inhibitor of dihydrofolate reductase. वो डाइहाइड्रोफोलेट को टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलेट होने से मना करता. So to overcome the toxicity of that, what you need to give? Folinic acid, which is directly tetrahydrofolate, is what you need to remember. York sac visualization के लिए what is the size that you need? Gestational sac का 10. Ovarian malignancy, what is suggestive? Papillary projection, thick septae and a low resistance flow. You have got a list of findings which are basically suggestive. So this is JKMD, Doctor, 2014. Now I will take you to our new questions.